Today we are going to show you some example of frozen speech style. But first, let me tell you what is frozen speech style. This type of communicative style rarely or never changes. It is a frozen in time and content. It is generally used a very formal setting. This is the most formal communicative style for a respectful situation. It has a fixed and static language and uses a long sentences with a good command and grammar. Here we are an example of frozen speech style.
Panatang mga kabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinalangan, tahanan ng aking lahi, kinukupkob ako at tinutulungan, maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, dirigin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang, susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paralan, tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng mamamayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nananalangin ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas, panunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas, at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag, na may dangal, katarungan at kaliyaan, na pinagkikilos ng buong sabayan ng makadiyos, makatao, magkakalikasan at
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.